Is $13 a good investment to make your car's AC blow like new? Many people believe they need an expensive repair the moment their AC stops cooling. False. It's just another scam pulled by shady mechanics. In this video, I'll bust myths and share 17 powerful tips that can turn your car from a sauna into a freezing icebox. At the end, I'll reveal 2 things you should never do with your AC system, or you could risk a $2,000 repair. Let's jump in. Tip 17. Clean the condenser. Your car's AC can't cool properly if the condenser is dirty. It sits right at the front of your car and catches all the dirt, leaves, and even bugs while you drive. Over time, this mess blocks heat from escaping, so the AC has to work harder, and the compressor could fail. A $1,200 repair. To prevent this, wait for the engine to cool, then use a pressure hose at medium strength to wash away dirt and dead bugs. For stubborn spots, scrub gently with a brush. Let the condenser dry completely before driving. A clean condenser releases heat efficiently, so your AC cools faster, works less, and lasts much longer, saving you money on big repairs. Tip 16. Clean the AC inlet. The AC inlet is the small grill at the base of your windshield where air enters the system. If you park under trees or drive on dusty roads, leaves and dirt can block it. Moisture in this debris can even cause mold, leading to bad smells inside your car. Start by brushing away visible dirt and leaves. If you notice musty odors, turn the AC fan to low, roll down all windows, and spray AC disinfectant or Lysol directly into the inlet. This way, the fan will pull the cleaner through the system and kill any hidden bacteria or mold. For best results, remove the cabin filter first, clean the inlet regularly, and enjoy fresher, cleaner air every drive. Tip 15. Disinfect the AC system. Sometimes cleaning the AC inlet isn't enough because mold and bacteria hide deep inside the air ducts. That's where disinfecting the whole system helps. First, switch the AC to its lowest fan setting and roll all windows down. Then spray AC disinfectant into the air inlet at the base of the windshield while the fan is running. This pulls the disinfectant through the vents, killing any bacteria or mold inside. Keep the fan running for a few minutes to circulate the cleaner throughout the system. This not only gets rid of bad smells, but also improves the air quality inside your car, keeping you and your passengers healthier while making the AC work more efficiently. Tip 14. Let the hot air out first. On a hot day, your car's interior can feel like an oven, reaching over 110 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes. Many people turn on the AC at full blast while keeping the windows closed, but that makes the AC work harder and cool slower. A better way is to let the hot air escape first. Start your car, set the AC to the lowest temperature, and roll all windows down for about 15 seconds. Then, turn the fan to the highest setting. As the cool air starts circulating, close the front windows first, then the rear windows after another 15 seconds. This simple trick cools your car faster, reduces AC strain, and even saves fuel in the long run. Tip 13. Avoid pre-cooling. Myths. Many people think it's smart to start their car and let the AC run for 10 to 15 minutes before driving. While it cools the cabin, it wastes fuel and strains the compressor. An idling AC uses about half a gallon of fuel per hour, and the compressor works harder than necessary. Instead, start the car, turn on the AC, and begin driving with the windows slightly open for the first minute. Moving air helps the cabin cool much faster than sitting idle. Once the interior feels cooler, close the windows and let the AC maintain the temperature. This method saves fuel, cools the car quickly, and keeps your AC system in better shape for years to come. Tip 12. Use the recirculation button. The recirculation button is often misunderstood, but it's a game changer for cooling efficiency. Normally, your AC pulls in hot air from outside, cools it, and pushes it inside the car. On scorching days, this takes longer and strains the system. By pressing the recirculation button, your AC reuses the cooler air already inside the car, so it reaches a comfortable temperature much faster. It also blocks unpleasant smells from traffic or pollution outside. Another bonus? It saves fuel because the AC works less. However, if you have passengers in the back, turn it off occasionally to bring in fresh air so everyone stays comfortable while still saving on fuel costs. Tip 11. Turn off recirculation for passengers. While the recirculation button cools the car faster and saves fuel, it has one drawback. The back seats don't get enough fresh air. If you have passengers, leaving it on too long can make the rear of the car feel stuffy and warm. The solution is simple. Use recirculation at the start to cool the car quickly, then switch it off after a few minutes so fresh air flows evenly throughout the cabin. This keeps everyone comfortable while still reducing the strain on your AC. It's a small change, but your passengers will thank you for making the ride cooler, fresher, and more pleasant, especially on long road trips in hot weather. Tip 10. Replace the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter keeps dust, pollen, and dirt from entering your car through the AC. Over time, it gets clogged, restricting airflow and making your AC work much harder. A dirty filter can also trap moisture, becoming a breeding ground for mold and bad smells. Replacing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles keeps the air fresh and your AC running efficiently. The best part? It's a simple 5-minute DIY job that costs about $20 instead of paying a mechanic $50 or more. In most cars, the filter sits behind the glove box. Swap it out yourself, breathe cleaner air, and make your AC blow cooler without spending extra money at the repair shop. Tip 9. Upgrade to a carbon cabin filter. If you really want a noticeable improvement, upgrade your standard cabin filter to a carbon-activated one. Unlike regular filters, carbon filters don't just block dust and pollen, they also trap odors, smoke, and even harmful gases like exhaust fumes. This keeps your car's interior smelling fresh while protecting your health from pollutants. The best part is that installing a carbon filter is just as easy as replacing a regular one. It costs a little more, usually around $30, but the cleaner air and better AC performance make it worth every penny. With fresher air inside your car, you'll enjoy every drive while keeping the AC system working efficiently all year round. Tip 8. Park in the shade. One of the simplest ways to help your car's AC work better is to park in the shade whenever possible. Direct sunlight turns your car into an oven, raising interior temperatures by 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in less than an hour. When you finally start driving, your AC has to work twice as hard to cool the superheated air trapped inside. This extra strain doesn't just waste fuel, it also wears out the compressor, battery, and cooling fans faster. By simply parking under a tree, a building, or any covered area, you keep the cabin much cooler to begin with. That means the AC reaches a comfortable temperature faster and uses less energy in the process. Pair this with slightly open windows, if it's safe, to let hot air escape, and your car will feel dramatically cooler the moment you start driving, even on scorching summer days. Tip 7. Use windshield sunshades. If you can't find a shady spot, a simple windshield sunshade can make a huge difference. These reflective covers block direct sunlight, keeping your car's interior up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. Without one, your dashboard, steering wheel, and seats absorb massive amounts of heat, turning the cabin into a furnace. That extra heat forces your AC to run longer and harder, increasing fuel consumption and putting more stress on critical components like the compressor and fan belt. A good sunshade costs under $10 and folds away easily when not in use, making it one of the cheapest and smartest ways to protect both your comfort and your AC system. For even better results, use side window shades or tinted windows to block more sunlight. The cooler your car starts out, the faster your AC can cool it, and the less wear it experiences over time. Tip 6. Refill your refrigerant Freon. Your car's AC relies on refrigerant, commonly called Freon, to cool the air before it reaches the vents. While refrigerant doesn't expire, small leaks over time can reduce its levels, leaving your AC blowing lukewarm air instead of icy cold air. A mechanic might charge $300 for an AC recharge and possibly try to upsell unnecessary repairs, but you can do it yourself for much less. A basic refrigerant top-up can cost under $10, while a complete DIY recharge kit runs about $40. Look for R134A refrigerant, unless your car specifically requires the newer, pricier R1234YF type. The process is simple. Attach the kit to the low-pressure port, follow the instructions carefully, and you'll restore your AC's cooling power in minutes. Regularly checking and topping off refrigerant keeps your AC system running efficiently without draining your wallet. Tip 5. Check for refrigerant leaks. If you find yourself topping up refrigerant every few months, you might have a leak. The first sign is often oily spots on the AC lines, compressor, or near connection points under the hood. Small leaks slowly reduce refrigerant levels, making your AC blow warm air no matter how much you refill it. Left untreated, leaks can cause the compressor to fail, a repair costing over $1,000. To check, open the hood and look closely at the hoses and connections for any greasy residue. Some auto parts stores sell inexpensive leak detection kits with UV dye that makes leaks easy to spot under a black light. Fixing a minor leak early is usually cheap and prevents bigger problems later. If you're not confident, a quick inspection by a trusted mechanic can save you thousands in the long run while keeping your AC system running smoothly. Tip 4. Check your coolant level. Many people don't realize the engine's cooling system and the AC system are connected. If your engine overheats due to low coolant, the car's computer often shuts off the AC compressor to prevent further damage. This means a simple low coolant level can make your AC blow hot air instead of cold. To prevent this, check your coolant reservoir regularly, especially before long drives or during summer heat. Make sure the engine is cool before opening the cap, as hot coolant can spray out and cause burns. If the coolant level is low, top it up with the right mixture of antifreeze and water, as recommended in your owner's manual. Staying on top of coolant levels keeps both your engine and AC system running efficiently, avoids costly repairs, and ensures you stay comfortable on every drive, no matter how hot it gets outside. Tip 3. Inspect cooling fans. Your car's cooling fans are essential for both the engine and AC system. They sit behind the radiator and condenser, pulling air through to remove heat. If one or both fans stop working, your AC can't cool the refrigerant effectively, leading to warm air inside the car. To check, start the engine, turn the AC to full blast, and let it run for 5 minutes. Both fans should be spinning steadily. If only one runs, or neither does, the condenser can't release heat properly, and your AC efficiency will drop dramatically. Replacing a faulty fan through a dealer can cost $300 to $500, but aftermarket options often cost under $100 and work just as well. Catching fan issues early prevents strain on the compressor, protects your engine from overheating, and keeps your AC blowing cold air reliably even in extreme summer heat. Tip 2. Inspect the fan belt. The fan belt, also called the serpentine belt, connects the engine to multiple components, including the AC compressor. If it's cracked, loose, or slipping, the compressor won't spin correctly, causing weak cooling or complete AC failure. To avoid this, inspect the belt regularly for visible wear like fraying or glazing on the surface. Listen for squealing sounds when starting the car or turning on the AC. These often indicate belt issues. Replacing a worn belt costs less than $65, while ignoring it could lead to a failed compressor costing over $2,000. Many belts are easy to change yourself with basic tools, and doing so on time keeps the entire AC system working efficiently. A strong, properly tensioned belt ensures the compressor runs smoothly, giving you consistently cold air and preventing unnecessary strain on other engine components over time. Tip 1. Use your AC weekly. Surprisingly, one of the best ways to keep your AC healthy is to use it, even in winter. When the AC sits unused for weeks, the rubber seals inside the system can dry out and shrink, leading to leaks. Moisture can also build up, causing corrosion inside the compressor. Running the AC for just a few minutes each week keeps the seals lubricated, prevents rust, and ensures the refrigerant circulates properly. It also helps you catch small problems like weak cooling or strange noises before they become expensive repairs. Think of it as exercise for your AC system. Regular use keeps everything moving smoothly. Even if it's cold outside, switch it on briefly while driving. This simple habit can save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs and keeps your AC ready for the hottest summer days ahead. Here are 2 costly mistakes you should avoid to keep your car's AC running efficiently and prevent expensive repairs. It's costly mistake. 1. Turning off your AC for weeks. Many drivers think turning off the AC for long periods will save money on fuel or prevent wear and tear. The truth is, doing this can actually lead to expensive repairs. When the AC sits unused for weeks, the rubber seals inside the system dry out, shrink, and eventually start leaking refrigerant. Even worse, the compressor's internal parts stop getting proper lubrication because the refrigerant oil isn't circulating. Over time, this can cause internal corrosion or complete compressor failure, a repair that can easily cost over $1,200. The simple solution? Run your AC for at least 10 minutes every week, even during the winter. This keeps the system active, the seals soft and lubricated, and the refrigerant moving through the lines. It also prevents bad odors caused by trapped moisture inside the evaporator. A few minutes of use each week can save you hundreds, even thousands, in future repair costs while keeping your AC ready for the summer heat. Costly mistake 2. Pointing vents directly at yourself. Blasting cold air directly onto your face or body might feel great on a hot day, but it actually makes your AC system work harder and waste fuel. When you point all the vents at yourself, the airflow doesn't circulate efficiently around the cabin. This means the AC keeps running longer at higher settings to cool the entire car, increasing both fuel consumption and compressor strain. Plus, the concentrated cold air can dry out your skin, eyes, and throat, making long drives uncomfortable. Instead, point the side vents toward the windows and the center vents upward toward the ceiling. This creates a circular airflow pattern that spreads cool air evenly throughout the car, lowering the cabin temperature faster and using less energy. You'll feel cooler, your passengers will be more comfortable, and your AC system will last longer, all while saving money on fuel and repairs in the long run. Now your car's AC can stay icy cold all year long. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care secrets. Drop a comment below with any AC tricks you use. I'd love to hear them.